Hi, in this chapter we shall be learning how to download and install Scratch on our PC. Scratch is a block-based visual programming language and website targeted towards children. In this program you can create all sorts of games, stories, animation and whatnot. Now let us see how to download this software. First of all, open your web browser, then type in scratch.mit.edu and hit enter. It should take you to its website. Now you can directly start creating using its website, but we want to download the offline version. So for doing that, just scroll down to the end of the website and you should see under support the option to download. Now once we are in the download page, choose which operating system you want to download Scratch in. Since I am on Windows, I'll keep it like this. And now you can directly download it or download it from the Microsoft Store if you're using Windows 10. For this tutorial, I'll use direct download. Now Scratch should be downloading and you will have to wait for a while. Once Scratch is downloaded onto your PC, click Show in Folder and it should open the folder where Scratch setup file has been downloaded. Now click the setup file and choose if you want to download for anyone who uses this computer or just for yourself. It's better to leave it in its default setting and then click install. And it will say it has been installed onto your computer, and now you can choose to directly run Scratch desktop or you can uncheck it and click finish. For now we will leave this checked and click finish. And it should start up the program. Now for this you can choose if you want to help improve Scratch, but we just want to learn, so click no thanks. And there you have it. You have installed Scratch on your desktop. Thank you for watching and see you in the next chapter.